If you want to block someone on Airbnb, whether it could be a guest or a host, all you need to do is just go on to the message thread with that person, and you will see these three dots if you are on a computer, or if you're using a phone, you can just hold on your thumb on this message and you will see this menu. Click on report this message and then choose one of these options. In my case, I will choose the first one and click OK. And then on the next screen, choose one of the relevant option. I will choose they asked me to communicate outside Airbnb. Click next. Where did they share their contact info? You can say Airbnb message. Doesn't matter what you choose. Airbnb doesn't really come in and investigate these kind of things. And click on submit. Once that is done, you will see this pop up. Click on block this person. Click on that and then click on this block button here. Once that is done, you will see this message. You have blocked this person. They will no longer be able to message you, send you a reservation request, or accept a request from you. But if in case you want to unblock them later on, you can click on this message again and just follow the prompts. It's fairly easy once you know where to go. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.